Hey guys, Jay here again from WoodPigeon Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fishing lure out of your Weiss cutlery. Alright, stay tuned. What you're going to need for this project is, first off, it's going to take a little bit of time. So it's not like my other videos with like that 10-minute fishing lure or anything like that. This is going to take maybe an hour, depending on how quick you can do this. First off, you're going to need some spoons. So I didn't really grab the girlfriend's cutlery. I actually went to the thrift shop. You could pick it up for like 10 cents a spoon, or you could even go to the dollar store, pick up a pack of 3. One thing you're going to want to do though is get the smaller spoons. They're a little bit easier to drill through. I'll explain more later. Speaking of drills, going to need a Dremel or a hand drill. You're going to need some treble hooks, and you're going to need split rings. Remember, safety. So some safety glasses, because you don't want metal bits going in your eye. And you're going to need something to sand down the rough edge after you're done cutting or breaking off the pieces. So what you're going to want to do is start off with a spoon, right? And then you're going to want to break off or cut off the handle. You can use a Dremel if you have that. And then once that's done, right, you're going to have something looking like this. Now I pre-done everything just for video's sake, so it's quicker. Alright, and then what you're going to want to do once that's done is you're going to want to take your sander and get it right down so it's nice and smooth, so you end up something looking like a spoon. Alright, you might need a hammer later on, depending on how convex your bowl is on the spoon. And all you're going to do is, once you have it, right, is just give it a couple whacks and it flattens out, so it's a little bit more flat shape, because what's going to happen is you're going to have too much of a spin and it's going to detour the fish. Alright, so once you have everything done, you're going to want to drill in the center of each end, right, a hole, and that's where your drill comes in. So you basically, you take it, you put over a block of wood, you turn your drill on, helps if it's plugged in, and you just proceed to drill a hole. Now, depending on the size of the hole is depending on the size of spoon. So smaller spoon, smaller hole, bigger spoon, bigger hole. I'm going to show you this one for right now. Then very easily, you're going to want to take your split shots, or it's not split shots but split rings, and you're going to want to attach a split ring to the wider end of your spoon. Right. I always have problems with that. So basically what you're going to want to do is attach it so you can attach your treble hook on top of it, and you're pretty much done at that point, unless you want to turn around and add some graphics like I did to this one. I don't know if the camera's going to catch that. This one I did about a week ago. I did some hydro dipping. I'll show you how to do that in another video. You could add any kind of design you want, or if you want to just keep it plain and simple, you could do that as well, right? And then here's another one I did hydro dipping. I don't know if you could catch that one. I can't find my light, but anyways, this one has, and what hydro dipping does, it adds that kind of cool looking marble effect to it. There we go. But I'll show you how to do that in another video. So very simple, right? Cut off the handle of the spoon, sand it down so there's no sharp edges. You drill a couple holes right in the center. So as you see here, you do it on each end. One hand's going to be for your line, the other end is going to be for your treble hook. You're going to add the treble hook to the wider base. Alright, and then if you want to add designs, you could do that at your own discretion. Like I said, I'll show you again in another video. If you like it, thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and we'll catch you next time. Alright, and remember, don't use your wife's cutlery unless you want to get in trouble. Alright, thumbs up guys, catch you around.